Today, I have a stunning, fully renovated Victorian home to show you through. Oddie Street is a tightly held cul-de-sac set in one of Ballarat's most sought-after locations. Come inside and take a look. Welcome home, number 4, Oddie Street, here in Lake Wendouree.